When you search for the best gearless permanent magnets, everything looks nearly identical. Same claims, same photos. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to look a bit deeper. Product number 1, Dymag 6-pack magnets. First up, we have the Dymag Strong Magnets. This 6-pack comes with double-sided adhesive backing and is priced at just $8.98. What caught my attention was their impressive 4.4-star rating from over 21,000 reviews. If you want reliable magnets for your fridge or DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. These neodymium disc magnets are 1.26 inches in diameter and 0.12 inches thick, which means they're compact yet powerful. The durable surface prevents rust and scratches, so they'll last you a long time. Plus, they're designed to hold securely on various surfaces. Whether you're hanging spice jars or securing classroom materials, they do their job well. With over 3,000 sold just last month, it's clear that many folks trust these magnets. Now, some users mentioned that the adhesive backing could be stronger, which is a fair point. But here's the thing. If you apply them to a clean, smooth surface, they hold up just fine. So, if you're using them for light-duty tasks, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, multi-purpose magnets at an affordable price. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty options, but for everyday use, you can't go wrong here. Product number 2, Dymag 8-pack magnets. Next up is the Dymag 8-pack of strong magnets, priced at $11.99. Just like the previous model, it also boasts a 4.4-star rating from 21,000 reviews. If you find yourself needing more magnets for various projects, this is definitely worth considering. These magnets share the same dimensions as the earlier pack, 1.26 inches by 0.12 inches, so you're getting the same reliable size and performance. The added bonus here is the extra 2 magnets, which could be a game changer for larger projects or if you simply want some spare ones on hand. With their strong magnetism, they can hold items securely, whether it's for DIY crafts or organizing your space. Plus, the corrosion-resistant coating keeps them looking new for longer. However, some buyers pointed out that they expected a stronger adhesive. While that feedback is valid, I think it really depends on what surface you're applying them to. As long as you prepare the surface properly, they should hold up fine. This is great if you need a few extra magnets for different tasks. However, if you only need a couple, you might want to stick with the 6-pack. But for the price, you get good value here. Product number 3, eBayvite 6-pack magnets. Moving on, let's talk about the eBayvite 6-pack strong neodymium magnets, available for $8.98. With a 4.3-star rating from over 5,500 reviews, these magnets have been well received. If you want strong magnets with adhesive backing, this could be a solid choice. These magnets also measure 1.26 inches in diameter and 0.12 inches thick. They're made from high-quality materials that resist demagnetization and corrosion, making them suitable for various applications from crafts to keeping your garage organized. The adhesive backing adds convenience, allowing you to stick them easily. Given that over 400 units were sold last month, they're clearly popular among DIY enthusiasts. However, a few users reported issues with them breaking during shipping. That's something to consider, as damaged magnets can be a safety hazard. If you receive a damaged product, just reach out to customer service, and they're usually quick to help. This is perfect for you if you want strong and versatile magnets for a variety of projects. But skip this if you're worried about potential shipping issues, as that could be a concern. Product number 4, Neosmuk heavy-duty magnets. Now let's check out the Neosmuk Rare Earth Magnets, priced at $9.99. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, these heavy-duty magnets are impressive. They're perfect if you need something more robust for serious tasks. These magnets also measure 1.26 inches in diameter, but what sets them apart is their industrial-grade strength. The nickel-copper-nickel coating gives them a shiny, rust-free finish and protects against scratches. They come with 3M adhesive backing, which makes application super easy. Given that over 1,000 of these have been sold recently, it's clear they have a loyal user base. Some users have mentioned that while they're super strong, they can be tricky to remove once applied. That's true, but I see it as a plus if you want them to stay put. Just be cautious when you're applying them to ensure they're exactly where you want them. This is a great option if you need powerful magnets for heavy-duty projects. But if you're just looking for simple fridge magnets, this might be overkill. Product number 5, Best Choice Magnets. Lastly, we have the Best Choice Magnets 6-pack, priced at $9.99. With a 4.3-star rating from around 1,200 reviews, these are another solid option if you're in the market for powerful magnets. If you want something versatile for a variety of applications, this could be a winner. These magnets are also 1.26 inches wide and 0.12 inches thick, made from high-quality neodymium. They're designed to be durable, with a double-sided adhesive that makes them easy to stick on various surfaces. Whether you're using them for crafts, organizing tools, or in the classroom, they hold up well. The user feedback suggests that they're effective for a range of tasks, which is why they've sold over 100 packs last month. One common issue mentioned is that some users found the magnets chipped after heavy use. I get that concern, but with proper care, they should last quite a while. Think of it this way. For everyday use, they're a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want reliable and budget-friendly magnets. But if you need something specifically for heavy-duty industrial use, you might want to look elsewhere. So there you have it. From the affordable Dimag options to the heavy-duty Neosmuk magnets, each product has its strengths. If you need versatility, the Dimag packs are solid picks. For heavy-duty tasks, Neosmuk is your go-to. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs. Happy magnet shopping!